So have you ever felt like every time you get into the market, it just turns around against you and absolutely pulls the rug out from under you and always knows what it is you're doing and is always taking your money? Well, this video is for you. The reason why you're constantly on the wrong side of the market is not because you're stupid or arrogant or, uneducated. It's because you are thinking the same way the 90% of day traders think. Therefore, 90% of traders are failing. So over here at the High Performance Trader, we've discovered a way to change the way we view the market. See, I too used to make these same issues. I literally was always on the wrong side of the market. I was getting frustrated each and every single day, and I had no patience and no discipline. This is not because of education. It's not because you are stupid. It's because of the way you view the game. You gotta change the way you view the game if you want to get different results. So today in this video, that's exactly what we're gonna break down. I'm gonna break down to you the 3-step approach that keeps me on the right side of the market, that keeps me very patient, that keeps me disciplined, but also gives me the confidence I need to act exactly when I'm supposed to make the decision. Okay, so the trade we're going to be talking about happened August 31st. You're going to see here we cleared 185% trading SPX put options, okay? And once again, this wasn't the most craziest move. It was actually very simple when following our strategy. So what is the strategy and what is it we try to do each and every single day? Well, if you click the link below, you are going to see it bring you to my website where we break down the 3-step approach, the HPT crossover, okay? First, you identify the critical level, okay? The critical level means you are looking to spot what the banks are doing, okay? This is a zero-sum game. When I lose money, someone else makes money. When I make money, someone else loses money. Therefore, we cannot think like the losers. We have to start thinking like the winners. How do we do this? By watching and trading off the critical levels. The critical levels are very simple, easy to spot. Previous day high, previous day low, previous day open, and previous day close. So if I whip back out the market over here, I'm going to show you. I have them mapped out, okay? We have previous day high, which is right here. We have end of day, and we have previous day low, okay? Open print would also be right here. So we'll put a line right here. That is the previous day OP. What's the 5th one? The 5th one is open print, okay? This level right here, you can see this is what we call open print. I'll draw a little arrow. This is the 930 bell price. This is open print, all right? Very important level. So that's step number 1. Step number 2 is identify the moving average cross. Once again, we cannot move price. The banks do. So we need to stop trying to predict the reversal. We need to stop trying to buy the low. We need to instead identify who's controlling the market and trade with them. We do this by watching the EMA cloud, okay? This is a very simple tool that we use to distinguish buyers versus sellers, okay? Now step number 3 is identify the RBI or the GBI. This is what we call the red bar or green bar that gets ignored. If I draw a box around it right there, you will see once buyers break the high, this is where we enter into the market long. This, my friend, is our 3-step approach that puts us exactly where we need to be each and every single day on the market. And once again, this is what we look for each and every single day. So guys, click the link below. I will send you a free mini course on this along with the data that we've been accumulating for the last 11 months, putting us at an 80% win ratio. Because guys, I'm not going to give you a strategy unless I can back it up, okay? This is what we trade each and every single day. These are the members that trade this strategy, that have pushed themselves to start thinking differently so that they no longer get the same results of all the 90% of losing traders. So click the links below, get involved, join our team, and make the decision today to start getting different results. So we took 2 trades this day. First one was off open print. Price right here. Once again, we identified open print, and then we have sellers defending it. How do we know this? Look at this nice red candle right here that clears the bottom of this guy, okay? Once again, green bar ignored. At this moment, we are getting in the market short, and our stop loss goes above the GBI. That is our first entry where we executed exactly flawlessly. Okay, number 2, and if I pull up the Discord right here and go into SPY alerts, you're gonna see July 31st, 1:13 p.m. I'm in the market short right here. Now, once again, guys, we need to stop thinking like the losers and we need to start thinking like the winners. The reason is because the winners, the banks, the institutions, the hedge fund managers, they control price. We will never. We don't have the capital. We don't have the influence. So what we're looking for is a simple 3-step approach to put us in the market exactly when we need to. So right here at 113 is where we decided to enter into the market short. Once again, why? Well, very simple. We are trading off critical level right here in the GBI. So here's our critical level. Right here is our green bar that got ignored. Bam. And then right here is where we enter into the market short, and our stop loss goes right here. Once again, green bar ignored in the market short, stop above it, and we take the market down to the next critical level. And you'll see right here, if I pull back up the Discord, we take profits on the way down, targeting, what is this, 63758, targeting end of day. Our first target, previous day open print. What happened? We drilled right into it right here. Boom, we left a runner. Next thing you know, we take her all the way down to end of day. Okay, now once again, guys, the purpose of this video has got nothing to do to show you how well I did. The purpose of this video is to help you use the tools that me and my team use to get on the right side of the market each and every single day. So guys, if you want to get involved, click those links below. I have a 30% off promo code right now on the link below only for the month of August. The promo code is HPTCross. Take advantage, join our team for the next year, and start to think differently. I'll see you there.